moving on now. And if you've got any brown bananas sitting on your kitchen bench, then this next recipe will be perfect for them. The recipe that you need
For the
in your
bananas.
repertoire. Yes, banana bread. So this is a good one for bananas out there. The other way around, depending on how you look at it. It's really easy and delicious.
And to show us how it's all done, the healthy chef, Teresa Carter. Teresa, good morning to you.
Hey, hi, guys.
Look at this phenomenal spread. If we could just marvel at the
beautiful.
optics of this for a moment.
It is amazing.
And the aromas. Talk us through this phenomenal thing.
This banana bread will revolutionise how you make banana breads. It's fantastic. It's gluten-free, it's full of healthy fats, full of protein, it tastes delicious, and it's going to make you feel energised and wonderful.
Yum. Okay, so tell us what's in it. Is the key to have really spotty bananas?
Yeah, well, not spotty, but, you know, so sort of like really, really ripe. Yeah, for sure. I've got about 3 mashed bananas here, so just mash them with a potato masher or a fork. I've got 3 gorgeous organic eggs. It's really simple, just 1 bowl, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and just a tiny little bit of raw honey or bit of maple syrup. Not too much. Now we're adding some omega-3 with some flax seeds here. So I've got some flaxseed powder, it would be fantastic. A little bit of vanilla and a nice generous pinch of salt. A little bit of baking powder, just a spoonful, nothing too much, and then the almond meal, which is going to replace the normal flour that you normally put in banana breads. And so putting that in, all you just do
so
is
no dairy in it either?
No dairy, but the great thing about this is if you don't want to add almond meal, you can even add 2 cups of oats flour, some oat flour, you can add all-purpose flour, spelt flour. It actually mixes and substitutes cup for cup, this recipe.
Then, Teresa, how long in the oven?
So what you do, so after you mix it, you're going to put it into just your basic typical lined loaf tin. So,
do you grease that over the top of the paper? I always wonder about that, and that's asked many times.
I'm perplexed often. Do you sort of pre-grease or post-grease?
I pre-grease, but I don't post-grease afterwards.
Oh, right, okay.
You don't
just
need
on
to.
the understanding. Yeah,
It was right. Teresa, pre-greases and post-greases. Thank you very much. Thanks, Teresa.
Thank you.
Vindication tick.
But, you know, whatever size you have in the cupboard, you know, you can use a loaf tin. I've even made them in little skillet pans here as well. You can do it in skillet pans, you can do it in muffin pans. So whatever you have lying around, you know, I don't normally go around buying specific ones for specific jobs.
You don't need to do that.
No, just use whatever you have in the cupboard.
Yeah, don't be
Don't be pigeonholed.
Don't be pigeonholed.
Be flexible when it comes to containers.
Even.
But look, this is great. So all you do is whack this in the oven for around about 45 minutes.
Okay.
160 degrees, fan forced. And you come up with this amazing loaf like this. Now, I've garnished the top as well with half a banana. So if you want to go all fancy and stuff, you can do half a banana. But also, you can do really great things. Like if you add coffee powder and walnuts, you can make coffee banana.
Yum.
Coffee powder and walnuts. So you've got coffee banana bread with walnuts. You can add cocoa powder. You have chocolate banana bread.
This is wizardry, isn't it?
Isn't it? It's wizardry. It is amazing.
Teresa,
it's great
could I
stuff.
ask you a question off script? Because I was having a fervent argument with some friends the other day about how best to eat the banana bread. Should it be served chilled? So that I called them heathens because they leave it in the fridge and have it cold with butter.
That is nice, though.
Or does one heat it up?
You can do both. You can do
room
either.
temperature.
You know, room temperature, cold. Like this banana bread will keep for about 7 days in the fridge. So I always tell people to keep your banana breads in the fridge. Keeps them longer. It keeps them tasting beautiful. But honestly, you know, the next day you can toast them if you want. But
do you have a preference just to settle this debate?
Look, I just prefer it cold, to be honest. I don't know.
See, Teresa, you know, he's got 2 friends and he's had a big fight with them.
I've had a big fight with one of them, so you can see my whole social environment is totally upset at the moment.
But if you like it warm, if you like, pretend yours is warm and yours is cold. Okay. So if you like it warm, you can actually have a little bit of ricotta. Look, I'm going to put some ricotta on yours.
Thank you.
Some ricotta on yours.
You'd be in the warm camp, Mon.
With warm or room temperature.
With some blueberries.
I'm your other friend.
Sorry, room temperature?
Yeah, I think that's good. All right, Teresa, that looks delicious. And the recipe is all in your book. It's called Purely Delicious.
It's purely delicious. It's fantastic. We've got 20% off the book today, which is great. Simple, fast, healthy, easy recipes for health and wellbeing. It's
terrific.
Great.
And we've got all of the recipes over on our website as well.
Fantastic.
Teresa,
isn't it?
That is
amazing?
elite.
It's really
It's elite.
Elite. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.